Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Come on down with us today. We're heading down to Upper Marlboro, Maryland. We're going to take care of a yard drainage problem for a customer. They've had this wet yard for a long period of time. Now they want to resolve it with a TLC solution once and for all. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon. If you guys have a yard drainage problem, you need to get a quote on it, we'll be happy to help you out. Talk to you soon.